This is my fiance's favorite dish to come home to after long days of work and a really hot day. I tell you, it's not authentic, but it's very good. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the stock. The base of the stock will be what is inside the Mul-naengmyeon. Mine is not the traditional naengmyeon. I add a lot of like weird Japanese ingredients inside. Don't let me, I tell you, try this recipe, you will love it. Oh. As per us wanting everything to be ice cold, I have frozen my pear as well. So usually, for me, I will use half a pear for one portion, then half of the half, I will use it as pear slices, then the other half I'll grate into the stock. And that's the secret to a fresh, fruity, savory, ice cold broth. Next is the seasoning packet. You don't have to just add room temperature water and then freeze it. That will take very long. A good hack is to add ice water, put it in the freezer. After 30 minutes, you're ready to eat your naengmyeon. This is a hack that I like to use, not to make it sweeter, but to make it keep its crunch. And we're done. This is what happens after 30 minutes, and I'll say this is the perfect consistency that you want. It's refreshingly comforting, you know, like after a hot day, then after you have ice cream, then it's like, this is exactly but in like supper or dinner. If you don't want to spend $20 on naengmyeon outside, give this recipe a try. So easy.